Hello, we're back at the library for more stories. I'm Ms. Lee, and today we're going to talk about changes. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends are your friends. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. I have a riddle for you. What changes by going up and up and up and up and never goes down? Your age. And now let's look at a book about seasonal change. Here's a board book by Jeannie Lee. It's fall. Come on, friends, gather near. It's the best season of the year. For now it's fall. I love it all. What great changes will appear? In wintertime, the trees are bare. In spring and summer, green leaves are there. But now it's fall. I love it all. Leaves are flying everywhere. The vines and trees reach to the skies with a berry, apple, or cherry surprise. For now it's fall. I love it all. Autumn fruits make perfect pies. In green fields, the hunt begins for perfectly shaped, bright orange pumpkins. For now, it's fall. I love it all. Jack-o'-lanterns have silly grins. And when the autumn crops are done, we come together to share the fun. It's fall. It's fall. I love it all. A harvest feast for everyone. What do you love most about fall? Here's a song about leaves that change in the fall. It's to the tune of head and shoulders, knees and toes, but it's about orange, yellow, red, and brown leaves. Now you can make leaves with your hands. Orange and yellow, red and brown, red and brown. I'm going to use these leaf puppets. And you know what? You could make leaf puppets too. All you need to do is go outside, pick a leaf that you like, and a twig. Or if you have a popsicle stick inside, you can use that. Take the leaf to the stick and you're ready to go. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. And autumn leaves are twirling all around. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. And autumn leaves are dancing in the breeze. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. And autumn leaves are falling to the ground. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. Orange, yellow, red and brown, red and brown. Now we're going going to take a look at a book about a pumpkin, what it starts with, how that changes, and how it ends up. Pumpkin Circle, The Story of a Garden by Samuel Fowler, who did the pictures, and the story is by George Levinson. The pumpkin seed makes the pumpkin plant, and the pumpkin plant makes pumpkins. Deep within each pumpkin, the air is damp and cool. The walls are lined with teardrop seeds, each one a slippery jewel. Scrape them from their orange cave, wash away squishy mush. Save a few to grow next spring, and have a bunch to munch. When the earth is soft and warm, plant those sleeping seeds. In about 1 week, out they peek, 2 fresh, young, fat, green leaves. Every passing minute awakens each new plant, reaching down with silky roots, reaching up to dance. Huge green leaves grow toward the sky, prickly, lush, and wide. They soak up sun and water and make a shady place to hide. Twisty tendrils grasp like hands, stretching out to cling. They roll down into fancy curls and wind up just like springs. Then silently as angels, flower buds appear with pointy little collars and gleaming silver hair. Velvet petals open, brilliant sunlit bowls, delicately fragrant, a sign of pumpkin gold. Along come the bees floating through the air, buzzing, gathering, guzzling, zooming everywhere. 100 days of weather, 100 days of care. Pumpkins climbing up the fence, pumpkins everywhere. Help those pumpkins sit up straight so they grow up round and proud. Scratch on pumpkin names so they stand out in a crowd. Or just sit back and enjoy the view. Pumpkins grow because pumpkins know exactly what to do. When summer turns to fall, green turns to gold. Shorter days bring chilly nights, and pumpkin vines grow old. Now comes the harvest. Pluck treasures from the vine. Clear away lifeless leaves. Hide the rags of time. Gather up the finished fruit, ripe and fully grown. Tidy up the garden. Make a cozy pumpkin home. Salute the pumpkin circle. Make way for pumpkin cheer. Behold the pumpkin miracle. We're pumpkin millionaires. Make up pumpkin faces. Add bright candlelight. Set them on your doorstep. Let them flicker through the night. Every day, those pumpkins change. Getting older, getting strange. Sinking, shrinking pumpkin. Back to earth you go. Turning into muck and dirt. A place for seeds to grow. How did this begin? What is this pumpkin thing? Is there a Mother Nature? Is there a pumpkin king? We can be sure of this. It's a circle without end. It's pumpkin seeds to pumpkin seeds again. Let's look at a change you can make with a grown-up in the kitchen. We're going to take a powder, which is Jell-O, gelatin, and we're going to pour it into my big measuring cup. 1 package. Then we're going to pour in 1.25 cups of boiling hot water. Then we're going to stir it. Now you're supposed to stir it for 3 minutes, but we're going to stir it for 3 long seconds. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to pour it into a pan that you can put in your refrigerator. Now, it should stay in the refrigerator for 3 hours. That's a long time, but it's going to change from being a hot liquid into a cold, almost solid. And it will gel because of the gelatin in the Jell-O, and you will be able to use cookie cutters to cut out shapes. Now, the shapes I used were these leaf shapes. There are all kinds of different leaves in here. They're not very big, but I think that works better with this experiment. And then you might want to do a pumpkin, shape like we saw in the story, or you might want to do a little bird, or you might want to do a butterfly. Now, I have to tell you that I just did half of the recipe today. You would use 2.5 cups of boiling water. You would use 2 packages of Jell-O, and then you would still stir it for 3 minutes, and you would still put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. Now I want to show you what you end up with. So I'm going to slide this forward, and Miss Eva is going to put the finished leaves here. Now, Miss Eva has put the recipe for Jell-O Jigglers on YouTube that you can access through the Wellesley Free Library. So now I'm going to eat one. Which one should I eat? I think a little orange one would be nice. You can pick them up with your fingers and eat them. And they're delicious. Try it. Fall is not easy. Written and illustrated by Marty Kelly. Winter is easy. My branches are bare. Then snow starts to melt and spring's in the air. Springtime is easy. Green leaves start to grow. Then spring rains are followed by the summer sun's glow. Summer is easy. Just bask in the sun. Then breezes blow cooler and summer is done. Fall is not easy. It's a time for change. Green leaves turn colors, but mine all look strange. That isn't right, and that's just all wrong. My colors won't go where I think they belong. My leaves should be fire, all brilliant and bright. And I try and try, but they won't come out right. Eat at Joe's? And just when my patience begins to wear thin, my leaves all fall off and winter blows in. Winter is easy. Like the book says, fall is not always easy. And sometimes life is not always easy. This fall has been hard, but the seasons change over and over again. And whatever is not easy will pass, and something easier and better will come along. Now, if I could change into anything I wanted to be, it would be a caterpillar, because caterpillars eat a lot, they sleep a lot, and they wake up beautiful. Let's sing our goodbye song. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. See you next time.